Most people get this wrong when choosing HVAC software. They spend weeks comparing feature lists but ignore the one thing that actually matters: whether the software fits their business size and workflow. Here's the truth no one tells you. The best HVAC software for a small company can be completely different from the best software for a large operation. In this video, I'll rank some of the best HVAC software platforms in 2026, explain who each one is best for, and help you choose the right option without wasting time or money. Let's start with the quick answer. For most HVAC businesses, the top contenders in 2026 are ServiceTitan, Housecall Pro, Fieldage, Jobber, and Workis. But they serve different types of companies. At number 5, we have Workis. Workis is a solid option for small service businesses that want scheduling, dispatching, invoicing, and customer management in one platform. It's relatively easy to learn and can help newer HVAC companies stay organized. At number 4 is Jobber. Jobber is known for its user-friendly design and simple workflow management. If you're a small HVAC business with a few technicians, Jobber can handle quoting, scheduling, invoicing, and payment collection without overwhelming your team. But here's the problem. As your company grows, you may need more advanced reporting and operational tools. That's where number 3 comes in. Housecall Pro. Housecall Pro offers a strong balance between ease of use and business management features. Many growing HVAC companies appreciate its customer communication tools, online booking options, and mobile-friendly experience. Now, here's where it gets interesting. At number 2, we have Fieldage. Fieldage is specifically popular among HVAC contractors who need stronger dispatching capabilities, service agreements, and technician management. It provides more depth for companies handling larger service volumes. In a minute, I'll reveal the software that many larger HVAC businesses consider the industry benchmark. At number 1 is ServiceTitan. ServiceTitan is often regarded as one of the most powerful HVAC management platforms available. It offers advanced reporting, sales tracking, call management, technician performance analytics, and operational insights. For larger HVAC companies, these features can significantly improve decision-making and profitability. However, this is where most people fail. They assume number 1 automatically means best for everyone. Imagine Alex owns an HVAC company with 3 technicians. He may get more value from Housecall Pro or Jobber because they're easier to implement and often more affordable. Meanwhile, a company with 30 technicians may benefit greatly from ServiceTitan's advanced capabilities. The key takeaway is simple. Choose software based on your current size, budget, and growth plans. Small teams often thrive with Jobber or Housecall Pro. Mid-sized operations may prefer Fieldage. Larger HVAC companies frequently lean towards ServiceTitan. Now you're better equipped to make the right decision for your business. If this ranking helped you, hit the like button, share your favorite HVAC software in the comments, and subscribe for more software reviews, comparisons, and business growth guides.